Yo, how you guys doing? Hope you're good. Ever since we had to get used to the idea of talking to each other through technology, one of the things that I found was that I was video calling my friends and family and associates a whole lot more, but my battery would die and I'd have to hold the phone and all of that. It was such a headache. So I wondered if I could develop a homemade dock, DIY dock with the least amount of effort and with the most accessible materials. And this is it. This is it. Charge my phone from it. Okay, well, the cable came out, but I can charge my phone from it. See that? So, yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy the dock. Make the dock. All you need is a pair of scissors. All you need is a pair of scissors, an egg tray, and empty, of course, and a milk carton. So yeah, let me know what you think of the dock. I think it's the simplest one on YouTube, because I looked around on YouTube and wow, there's some complicated docks. There's some complicated docks out there, you know, or phone stands, call them what you will. But I thought, yeah, let me put mine out there and see what the people think. Let the people decide. Yeah. Anyway, otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like if you like our doc. We will be putting out more videos. We won't tell you when. So subscribe is the only way. I'm serious. Sharp. I'm kidding, sharp, but I'm serious, but I'm kidding, sharp. Hey, hey, I forgot to say, hey, don't forget that you saw it on the woke ones first, bro. Don't let them, hey, it's intellectual property. I'm kidding, share it, but you know it came from. That's all I'm gonna say. All of a sudden, some YouTuber is gonna be claiming my smart dog. It's claiming my property. Copyright. Extra. Oh, and I also wanted to add, if you're a kid, please either use a round tip scissor when you're working, or ask an adult to help you. Please. Let's sharp. Otherwise, yeah, enjoy the day. Cheerio. B. Don't forget where you saw it. You saw it on.